checking out my channel and watching my video. Today I'm doing something a little different. First of all, I want to introduce you to somebody. This is our boy, Buddy. Hey boy, hi. He is a rescue puppy that we got from Rescue Rehome Repeat of Walker, Louisiana. He is a good boy. He's the best little boy in the world. But we rescued him about 2 years ago. He's about 2 years old. So today we're gonna make Buddy some food. Say bye. So online, I saw an ad for a company that sells dog food, and basically it's people food, but veered towards a dog. It was kind of expensive. So I started looking at the ingredients. I can make that at home, buy the stuff from Walmart, do it myself, and package it and serve him that. It's pretty cheap too. It's a lot cheaper than the pre-canned dog food. He loves Caesar. It's cheaper than that. So give it a try and see what you think. Watch the video and I'll touch base at the end. In a large Dutch oven or a pot, you're gonna put 6 cups of water. Into that 1 pound of ground turkey. And you wanna chop up the ground turkey or stir it up into the water to mix it. Let's kind of break it up. It's pretty easy. It grinds up pretty fast. And do this all before you turn the heat on. All right, into that 6 cup of water, 1 pound of ground turkey, we're gonna add 2 cups of brown rice and about a teaspoon of rosemary. I actually have a rosemary bush, so I just use fresh rosemary. And stir all of that up. And you're also going to add 1 pound or about 16 ounces of mixed vegetables. I use the straight up mixed vegetables that has corn, carrots, and green beans and peas in it. You can use the California blend, which has cauliflower and broccoli and carrots. I'm not so much on giving the dog cauliflower. He doesn't need any help with gas. Stir all of that up. You're going to turn on about a medium and get it to a boil. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it on high and get it to a boil. All right, we've got it to a boil. We're going to drop it down to medium-low heat, just like when you're cooking rice. Give it a stir real quick. Delicious. All right, put the lid on it and set a timer for 20 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. All right, so your timer is up. We're gonna take the lid off and check it. Okay, the rice is cooked, the turkey is cooked. There's still a little bit of moisture. So what I'm gonna do is I take 2 eggs, beat them up, and while I'm stirring, just stir these eggs in. And this will thicken it up. It's also good protein for the boy. All right, turn your heat off. Now I will just cover it and let it set off the heat until it cools completely. Once it's cooked and cooled, You can store it in the refrigerator in a big Tupperware container or a plastic container. I actually vacuum seal it in 1 cup portions. I think 1 quart cup is about the same size as a Caesar, so that's kind of what I went by. Again, this is not like an official feed for an animal, but it's got rice, it's got meat, it's got the veggies. I think it's pretty healthy and pretty good for the dog. Damn, go. Get on there. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I hope your little guys enjoy it too. If your puppies like it, let me know. Put the comments down below. If you put additions or something, let me know. I'd love to hear you. I did see online some people put berries and stuff like that in it. And I'm gonna keep it straight as I would for dinner for myself. But Buddy likes it, and that's what matters to me. And I know it's good and it's pure and it's homemade. It's not full of junk. You guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please put a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. You guys have a great day.